Potato race. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's the same day. I'm feeling very sick. You don't know.
Do the A, guys.
You don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! Oh! How are them? You have Ocean Skylife.
Ocean Skylife in the building.
GS 5000. Follow me on every social
make sure
media.
you know. Who is this now?
GS 5000. Follow me on every social media platform.
Yo, ads are up, my niggas. My niggas be so hype.
No, my ads them no move. Your vlog now, my Instagram.
But for you, some people them go see, right?
Ooh.
They're really protective
They're
of
be like,
me.
that boy, him just disgusting.
Yeah, they're really protective of me, you know. Guys, welcome to another vlog. We are heading to the mall right now. For the most part of the vlog, I'm gonna have an Ocean vlog because I'm really sick. I've been sick from morning. It's actually about 4 o'clock right now. After the mall, we're going a little date night tonight.
Some people, let me tell you what happened. Yeah, check out our outfits today. Me and Melica
Yeah, we kind of match.
Match-ish. You know, same materials type of thing. But people try to tie that bow something. I'm not an ear fanatic, but may I try my best. But me tell you what happened, people. So I got up this morning. I told him to wake me up when they get up, like from 7 or so, because I'm a late sleeper. Once I'm not working, I am a late sleeper. So I told him to wake me up, right? I woke up this morning around 9 something, 10 something.
And that's
when
early
I got
for
up,
her.
Not true. When I got up, they were already gone. They not even say, oh, she don't want to come to the gym or whatever.
Me not tell you.
Only if you find out to them gone and the gym gonna work out, but probably because me slim or so. Me don't know, but
That's
people always say why you need to go to the gym. But health issues just the same. But me have a big belly, you know, people. Look, I tell them say, I tell them say me need to work on my summer body as well. But sometimes you have some people in your life and they don't want to see you prosper and then kind of bad man.
Yo, how hypocritical is that? Yesterday you said
that was yesterday. Today is today. And who tell them say I only may talk about? Anyways, people, me just I say
you never said no weird.
Sometimes some people just don't want to see you do good and want to see you prosper. So
I'm not listen to them, so they used to tell my story.
And then bad mind. So they tell us say, oh, you already have a summer body and thing, nobody work out. So then get up this morning and go the gym leave me. Go the gym leave me. Market people, me don't know the place.
This morning when we leave,
we couldn't even go outside. I was so scared. One night time, me in the bathroom, you know. In the bathroom, and me hear one sound. Me think of somebody coming in the house. You know, me start think all type of things now come here and say, you know, you watch movie and people just break in at the house and so. Or me say probably somebody that watch. Probably somebody on the complex that watch me and see when Jeremy and Melica leave the house and know say I'm me alone there. Because honestly, the people that live on the complex, they're very fast.
You know, so me never really about 2 times with some people.
No man, they're fast really.
But Jeremy, put your flag on Jeremy, he explains what
we're not finished. You know, realize that anytime we go out and come in, somebody always on the lookout. Somebody always look. Probably they must say, watch out, this boy have 2 girls, 2 nice girl and something.
No, nice.
But fire, so I went down nice over yard.
Playing yourself. Anyways, so man said probably they ain't feel say somebody.
He's like
probably they ain't feel say
a bachelor.
Jeremy gone and leave me at the house and whatnot, and them try to come in and break in at the house. So no, I see you something. Anyways, people, as I was saying, and I lie me that tell though, but me feel say something. Me hear one sound in the house and the door open. So I said, Jesus Christ, me no want come out of the bathroom. So me in the one good while now bathroom. I listen, I hear shuffling. You know, like when I step on the board. When I step on the board, eh?
Call me, not call you.
No, I was on the phone.
So
they on the phone. You know they gone. Me talk about when they at the gym. Me dip on the phone and me ear like no, nobody no come in there.
spray the place and spray the place from time to time.
In the house?
Yeah.
No, I don't think nobody come in there because I never smell nothing. The only thing I smell is somebody have burn food from next door.
Yeah, you're not going to smell it.
So they will come in there and tell us that they're not coming there today?
No, them would send more email. Them probably send more
Command
email. If them come in there, them probably send more email say, oh, them are come to this spot.
I don't know, but me hear something. And we did one good while in the bathroom, lock up, afraid to come out. I don't know how I never call you. Actually, I did up on the phone. I'm afraid to come out until one time I'm well silent. I say, I'm not saying nothing coming on. They know something in here. And then I come outside, I'm not hear nothing again. And I go check if the door closed. I realize it's closed. So I say, okay, I calm down after that. I realize anybody in the house.
Alright, so yeah, I always got ears nice in the house because the pipe them went in the wall and so when the ear go through them, when the ear pass through them, yeah, I got ear.
Probably I hit me that ear. Probably. But me hear one sound like somebody did in that house, man. I was so scared. Imagine people me coming from a bad place, real bad place, jam down. You hear Damien and Marley sing about jam down. Them the place that I come from. Let me not say that because me paint Jamaica as a very violent place, which is some part of Jamaica is very nice. But I was scared this morning, honestly. Like when me know a new surrounding, me very paranoid. Eh?
I think I never want to come.
I wanted to go, guys, but no. The thing is, I told them from the get-go, I don't have anything to wear. I never bring no gym clothes or anything. And I said, I'm not going to buy no sneakers because I don't wear sneakers. It's not something that I wear a lot. So no make sense me spend my money and yes, me cheap. I mean, I like spend money for foolishness. Not say foolishness, but I have a sneakers at home. So I say, I'm not going to spend my money buy a sneakers and then I know I'm not going to wear it when I already have one at home. That's why I'm not going. I just never push it. And I like, we up here for 1 month, 3 months, something where we go God gym every single day. So I just never buy people. Jeremy want to talk for inside of the story.
No. Man, switch over. Come
sorry. So I have nothing you want to say to people, I'm telling you what happened last night too. We didn't want to vlog, you know, but it was in the heat of the moment. We did play video games.
Oh, did I tell him this morning?
Oh, did I tell him this morning?
Yeah,
tell my side. We were playing video games, PS4 to be exact, Mortal Kombat, and Jeremy Tiefui. Yes. Because guess what? Jeremy know the moves. I grew up on them something here, you know, people, because I grew up with only boys. So I kind of tomboyish. I know I kind of feel myself. I start dress like girl. But I'm not used to this, the new one, because with this Mortal Kombat, them change up the people them in there. Oh, if you do this something there. Them change up the people them in there and the moves them kind of different. What happened, Jeremy?
Bird. Probably dead.
No, in my cross too. You little bit why not up on cross?
I see more of them are going for it.
Yeah.
Some bird this man.
You know, so if you drive over them police, you see you can go, like, them will find you and something, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, like if you see them across the road, you have to stop and make them cross.
Jamaica, that shit. I'm them a drive. But the bird, them a Jamaica, them gangsters still, you know, because if they say I come and I drive fast, them go just fly. Them now go. Yes. Them go.
No, I never see me get.
You say man go better buy. Better buy the Jamaica. Sorry, best
buy.
buy.
Not even the Jamaica again.
Anymore. But I still know the name.
Country girl. Hey. Alright, fine. Anyway, so we're here on our journey with me now. I'll go up on the ends.
You're staying?
I'm not coming with y'all.
Exactly.
Good afternoon, people. Cause she annoying. Them annoying, like, yeah, as a going.
Big bro, protector.
Yeah, so vlog,
bestie.
Zin.
Bestie boo.
You sure you want your friend, other friend in here though? Yeah. Like the one who block you and so she not at your back?
No, that wasn't like...
Which way we are enter from?
Doesn't matter. As long as we enter through the front. But no entering through the back door.
Why is it back door?
Why for that?
Why if you're not entering through the back door?
Why if you back door? Why is the flag?
I am not.
Why if you back door? Why?
That's exactly what I'm saying. You see it? Me say the thing and them interpret it another way.
Jamaica, we come from, you know? Yeah, America.
The funny thing is, hold on, I'm gonna do this right. So the funny thing is, them annoying like them are the sister from other side of family. Them annoying bad.
He loves
And
it
then
though.
get on my nerves.
Oh, Jeremy cook some shrimp and white rice this morning.
Oh,
Curry
yeah, it
shrimp.
was really good.
Bad like a gas. Right now, more some more.
You're like bad like gas. Oh God, listen to them saying.
So he has pride. He's afraid to vlog inside. You have pride, you're afraid to vlog inside. Shameless. You say not gonna Starbucks? Yeah. Yeah, so as I said, Jeremy cook shrimp cooked down in coconut sauce.
And mixed vegetable.
Man,
That's really good.
tell her man, Jeremy, or if I'm married, come my wedding. I'll mash up a wedding.
Yeah, wedding fashion.
Yeah man, the boy cook some good food give you this man. I hope in a time in a boy. He says he's afraid to vlog inside.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think it's valid. It was for yesterday only. Yesterday we come
think
here?
that them because you want to buy something because it doesn't have an expiration date. Well, let me just.
Yeah, we're going to I think Europastel or American Eagle. One of them have some sale along the past on shirts, so we're gonna try and get some of them on. Yeah, that's what we're doing now.
So actually I'm gonna go with this thing. Cross is 1 and cross is 2. As in Nelson, I'm sexy. Alright, yeah, over there. I guess I can be a random school. You get the money, man.
At Europastel we did in our American Eagle. So guys, the first time, I told you guys the story already. Those are run. The first time I went on the escalator, I almost died. I almost broke my back, my niggas.
Why? Oh.
Because my step on the this side, I just cried. He want me to come off, I have to jump off and then sitting there. I tell about life. You didn't have any problems with it?
The first time was actually at the airport.
At airport with this day.
Yes, and it was me and my aunt though. And I said aunt. And it was me and my aunt. My aunt. But I stood there for about 2 minutes and let everybody else through until I made up my mind to go on it because I was so scared. And then when we reached for him now, everyone we took up on him like me.
Where? I say lockdown completely.
Oh, that's what I realized.
Charlotte Russe is closing down. It's actually locked down already.
Yeah, people say every time we must go on it, like we take a deep breath and wait like 2 minutes before we go on it. But me kinda an expert on it now. So
Alright, so we are at the store now, so we're gonna get some stuff, so we're gonna sign off a bit. No? Victoria, well, the secret. We just got some Victoria and pink underwear, guys. It's good to have quality stuff, you know, because
and we're coming back on Friday.
they're having a massive sale on Friday, so we're gonna come back to get some more. Oh, this family face. You think I'll fit?
I have my phone, not you?
Yeah, in our bag. Yeah, they have some deals. They have some deals. Baby boy.
Oh, that's normal.
Let me take a picture of him. Yeah, guys, so they've got the Bath and Body Works. Me now go cause I'm sick. I can't take nothing scented right now. As I told you guys, I have the sinus like really bad. So if you guys have any remedies at all, just leave it in the comment box below, cause I'm telling you something I beat my body. After we leave here, we're going to, I think we're going to DC tonight. There's some show down there, so we're gonna go there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna feel good, but if I'm going, you don't know, I'll be vlogging. keeping you guys up to date with what's happening with me and bathing. If you like the vlogs, you know, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, show the love. I tried my best to vlog every day since I've been here. So once I'm home, I'm gonna edit and upload in moderation. I'm not gonna give you them back to back. So I think I'm gonna upload every Monday and every Friday. I should have a quite amount of vlogs to deal with. That's how we're done here. So we're done. We are going for our next store, and then maybe I'm gonna go for Walmart, and then we're done for today in terms of buying stuff on the road. Yeah, that's gonna be it.